Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to move your WordPress site to IONOS using the easy method. This is a great way to get your latest website files over to your new storage space quickly. Let's get into it. First, get your files ready. The first step is to make a copy of everything on your current website. You need to gather all your words and pictures so you can move them. Use a simple tool on your current website to grab a full copy of all your work. Download this copy to your own computer so it is ready for the task. You must have a safe copy of your project before you can put it in a new home. Next, log in to your new account. You need to enter your new storage area where you want the website to live now. Go to the IONOS website and type in your name and secret password. Click on the Login button and wait for your main control screen to appear. You have to be inside your new private area so the computer knows where to put your files. Next, put your files in the new space. Now you are going to take the copy you made earlier and give it to your new storage space. Use the Upload button inside your new account to send your website copy over. Pick the file from your computer and wait for the blue bar to finish moving. This is the most important part. By sending the files, you are moving all your hard work into its new home. It is the key step to finishing your latest move. Lastly, check your new website. The final step is to make sure everything looks right and works perfectly in the new spot. Type your website name into your browser to see if your project shows up. Click on your pages and look at your pictures to make sure they are all there. Checking your work, make sure nothing was lost during the move. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's pretty much it. To move your website in IONOS, you first get your files ready by making a copy of your work. Then you log into your new account to access your new storage tools. After that, you put your files in the new space by sending them from your computer to the new account. Finally, you check your new website to ensure every page and picture is working exactly how it should. This process makes sure your latest website projects are safe and ready in their new home. This straightforward plan makes sure your move is smooth and easy to build. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.